For my son's racing, I use the AMSOIL Glass Cleaner, and for the racers out there, I know that they are very particular about their helmet, and that's because these face shields have a protective coating on it that you cannot use any harsh chemicals, and if you wipe it with a cloth, it's not a microfiber, it'll scratch, or if you use something with ammonia, it will actually take this film off, and as you can see, it's got that special coating on there. Well, he just came back from a session of racing and it's all doused with bugs. What's nice about this cleaner is it's ammonia-free. It's good for tinting on your windows and doesn't take the finish off. And I'm just going to spray the whole helmet down, and I'm going to use a nice dry, clean microfiber cloth, and it will take care of the helmet with no problem. I just let it sit for a little bit so that it could soak in. Go ahead and start wiping. As you can see, look at that mirror finish, nothing scratched. The film is not peeling off, it's not streaking. It's a great product and it smells really good. So all you racers out there, if you're concerned about your helmet, this is the cleaner to get. AMSOIL Glass Cleaner.